everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Zedge application using iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your profile picture on Zedge app, then the process is quite simple. Open up your Zedge application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in as well. From the main homepage of Zedge, you'll be able to see this interface. Tap the settings button at the bottom right and tap on your name at the top. Now, you'll be able to see your profile picture right at the top under My Account. Give it a tap and then select a photo from your library by choosing Photo Library option, or if you want to take a picture from your mobile's camera right away, tap on Take Photo. Since I'm gonna choose an existing photo, let me tap on Photo Library. It'll directly take me to my phone's library. Go ahead and select a picture you'd like to upload as a profile picture and give it a tap. Adjust the picture how you'd want it to appear in your profile and tap on Choose at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to upload or change your profile picture on Zedge. Now tap the Save button at the top right in order to save your changes, and you'll be able to see your profile picture from now on. That is how you can easily change your profile picture on Zedge. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.